here. Hey, my sub's got another sub that's working for them. That's a sub.
Officer Anthony Carrasco, last name is Carrasco. I'm a police officer with the City of San Diego Police Department. So tonight, shortly before 8:30 p.m., our officers responded to a 911 call about a vehicle versus pedestrian traffic collision that occurred at the intersection of Sorrento Valley Road and Interstate 805. This actually occurred in the intersection of Sorrento Valley Road and not actually on the off-ramp. A vehicle came down southbound, exited the freeway, went across the westbound lanes, and then crossed into the eastbound lanes and entered a construction zone. Inside that construction zone, there was a construction worker who was doing work within that area, and he was struck by a white Ram, like a small-sized van. That pedestrian was then thrown into the air and then landed on a nearby embankment. We're still trying to get a full list of those injuries. We believe those injuries to be serious but non-life threatening. The driver of the van was also injured, and was both the pedestrian and the driver of the vehicle were both transported to a local hospital for treatment of their injuries. The injuries to the driver of the van, we believe this to be minor injuries.
So both of them minor injuries on both?
We believe both to be non-life threatening. We're still waiting for a full list of injuries for the pedestrian. The pedestrian was a Caltrans contractor, but not employed by Caltrans.
Is this also a work van, or is this just something that was totally separate from the work being done here?
Completely separate from the road construction.
And then you're still evaluating for DUI?
We don't believe that it's DUI related right now. We originally were evaluating that, but we don't believe that DUI is a factor.
And thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.